Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage English country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. English country inspired home decor is a warm, charming and timeless style rooted in the traditions of rural England. It blends comfort, classic elegance and a touch of its own beauty, often evoking the feeling of a cozy countryside cottage or a stately country manor. Here is a detailed breakdown. Core characteristics of English country decor: warm and welcoming atmosphere. It emphasizes comfort, relaxation, and lived-in beauty. Spaces feel inviting, never too polished or too perfect. Traditional furnishings: overstuffed armchairs and sofas with shoulder arms, antique or vintage wooden furniture often with a patina, upholstered pieces in florals, checks or ticking stripes. Pattern and fabric layers: chintz fabrics, floral prints, tile, gingham and tapestry. Mixed and matches curtains, cushions and upholstery. Often uses heavier fabrics like velvet or wool in colder months. Muted and earthy color palette use soft shades green, dark egg blue, dusty rose, cream and autumn. Natural wood tones and off-white are key. Classic English details: skirted furniture and pleated lampshades, rings, trims and ruffles, cluttered but charming shelves of books, ceramics or antique trinkets. Use nature-inspired elements, botanical artwork, floral prints, and garden views. Use fresh flowers in vintage jugs or teapots. Use natural materials like wicker, rattan, stone, and timber. Eclectic and collected look: nothing feels too coordinated. Pieces often look inherited or found over time. Mixes eras and styles like Georgian, Victorian, Edwardian with ace. Includes personal heirlooms, oil paintings, and layered decor. Fireplaces and hearths, central gathering spot in the home, often decorated with candlesticks, mirrors, or old portrait paintings. Common rooms styled in English country decor: living room, use deep sofas, a writing fire, bookshelves, and layered textiles. Kitchen, egg cooker or rustic stove, open shelving, hanging pots, and floral curtains. Bedroom, use iron bed frames, soft linens, antique dressers, and floral wallpaper. Dining room, use mismatched chairs, a wooden table, candles, and a window sideboard. Overall feeling: English country decor feels romantic, storied, and soulful. It is a style where every object seems to tell a tale. Every fabric whispers tradition, and every corner invites you to sit down with tea and a good book. English country style originates from the countryside homes in England. Think quiet cottages in the coastal, grand country estates, and cozy farmhouses passed down through generations. These homes are built comfort, tradition, and connection to nature, often evolving slowly over time. It celebrates this heritage and storytelling, imperfection and patina, seasons and natural rhythms. This is not a decorated look, it is a collected and lived in one. Emotional and sensory layers. English country cottage decor is rich in emotional depth and sensory charm. Visual, gentle floral prints, cozy clutter, oil portraits, and soft lighting. Tactile. Use nappy linens, time-on old, warm old straws, and embroidered pillows. Olfactory. Scents of fresh garden roses, firewood, tea, and baked scones. Auditory. Thick of an antique clock, but soft through open windows. This makes it feel romantic, nostalgic, and grounding. Key elements and details, fabrics and patterns, chains, glossy floral cartoons, often on upholstery or jumps, tall detail, classic pastoral scents, typically in blue or red on white. Gingham, chicken stripe, plain and cozy rustic texture, layering, no messy matty hair, mix florals with thicks and solids. Furniture, pieces that look aged, handmade, or inherited, painted or polished wood in walnut, pine, or oak. Wine-back chairs, button-topped sofas, cat seats, and farmhouse tables. Also use scattered tables and armchairs with floral slipcovers. Walls and floors. Walls use warm whites, antique wallpapers, or wainscoting. Floors stone, slate, white plank, wood, or cozy rug layered over sisal. Lighting, soft and low lighting, table lamps with plated or floral shades, sconces, and candeliers. Often feature candles, lanterns, and flicker of a fireplace. Accessories and decor. Use china collections, copper pots, silver tea sets. Also use books, botanical illustrations, framed pressed flowers, tapestries, antique clocks, baskets, and vintage mirrors. Color palette inspired by nature and English gardens, like moss green, dusty rose, chaise, buttermilk, soft lavender, and sky blue, mixed with warm neutrals and oud tones. Seasonal styling, spring or summer. Use lighter fabrics like linen or cotton, garden flowers, and brighter tones. Fall or winter, old shelves, heavier chops, turquoise florals, candles, and hats. Variations within English country you can mix and match depending on your personal taste. Country cottage, more casual, cozy, and floral heavy, leaning toward rustic charm. English manner, from elegance with antique portraits, deep colors, and rich textures. Farmhouse English includes utility and simplicity, open shelves, copperware, and stone floors. Romantic English gardens, delicate floral motifs, lots of white, vintage lace, and botanicals. Modern English country cottage cottages. In recent years, younger generations have re-embraced this style with a whimsical, poetic twist. More vintage finds and sustainable decor emphasize on storytelling to objects, handcrafted items like crochet, embroidery, and pottery. Nature-centric rituals like flower arranging, baking, reading by the fire. The philosophy behind English country decor. This style is about embracing imperfection, memory, and comfort. It is less about trends and more about the poetry of living, how a home tells a story across generations. Everything has a story, a tipsy cup, a creaky floorboard, a faded floral curtain. Each detail is meaningful. It values ease over shine, handmade over machine, and character over perfection. It honors the quiet beauty of solo seasonal living. At its core, English country decor is not just about how a home looks, but how it feels to live in, warm, familiar, and rooted. Atmosphere and mood. The overall ambience is romantic, soft, gentle, sometimes nostalgic, earthy, deeply connected to the land and the garden. Timeless, looks that span centuries, not years. Everything feels slower, softer, and simpler. This is a strong sense of place and belonging, as if the home is a peaceful retreat from the noisy world. Key styling details often overlooked. Here are some beautiful little touches that make a huge difference in an English country home. Books everywhere, stuck by fireplaces or bedside. Bookshelves filled with vintage hardcovers, gardening books, and poetry. Artwork, still lifes, botanical prints, vintage oil portraits, gallery walls mixing mirrors, landscapes, and old photographs. Greenery and flowers, fresh cut blooms from the garden in mismatched pictures, red lavender bundles, potted herbs, away in terracotta pots. Comfort rituals, a tea station with china cups, blankets near armchairs for reading nooks, a tools by the window with a basket of knitting. Room by room imagination. Let's verify what through the house in English country style. First, kitchen. A gas stove or vintage style cooker. Use open shelves with copper pans and floral china. A large wooden farmhouse table with spindle chairs, herb pots on the windowsills, and a bowl of apples on the counter. Living room. A tufted sofa in faded floral fabric, Persian or beaded rugs layered on old wood floors. A cracking fireplace with candlesticks and framed family photos above. Table lamps with faded shades, embroidered cushions, and books. Bedroom, old iron or carved oak bed. Quilts, lace pillowcases, vintage patchwork drawers. A dainty vanity with a floral mirror. Framed embroidery, jar flowers in jugs, floral curtains. Bathroom, use clawfoot tub, botanical wallpaper, or bedwood paneling. A linen cupboard with folded towels and soaps. Wicker baskets for lavender scented bath salts. Living the English country lifestyle. To truly embrace this decor, it helps to also embrace the country lifestyle. Tend a garden, even a windowsill one. Tend a garden, even a windowsill one. Cook homemade meals with seasonal ingredients. Treasure family heirlooms and stories. The simple crafts like knitting, sewing, flower arranging. Create solo rituals, afternoon tea, journaling, baking on Sundays. It is not just about filling a home with beautiful things, but filling it with memory, faith, and soul. It is for those who love the smell of rain on the garden path, the sound of a kettle whistling, and the joy of curling up in a room that wraps around you like a warm blanket. The poetic identity of English country style and its essence. English country decor is a love letter to home, to the art of everyday life, made beautiful in small, subtle ways. It celebrates the humble grace of daily rituals, tea, gardening, reading by firelight. The rich texture of time, layers of history in every room, a romantic connection to nature, where indoors and outdoors merge gently. The belief that homes are not showplaces but soul places. It is a visual and emotional expression of nostalgia, warmth, and meaning. Sensory storytelling in the home. Every corner in an English country home tells a quiet sensory story. Let's break that down room by room. Entryway. The scents of beeswax polish on antique furniture, own boards by the door, a wicker baskets of wildflowers, a faded rug laid over stone or wooden floors. Dining room. The clink of mismatched china, a rustic table set with linen napkins and fresh garden roses, candles flickering, cheering a solace under lawns. Bedroom. The rustle of cotton sheets and floral curtains in the breeze, a stack of books and a knitted drum at the foot of the bed. Lavender sconces in a curved wooden drawers. The home does not speak loudly. It whispers comfort, memory, and beauty. English continuous home decor is the art of making a home that ages with grace, feels alive with soul, and remains rooted in what truly matters: comfort, beauty, memory, and peace. It is a place where every corner has a purpose, every detail holds a memory, and every day feels like it belongs in a timeless storybook. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.